In very simple terms, a rogue access point is an access point that shouldn't be where it actually is. So, we're going to be talking a little bit about rogue access points. And one of the nice things about Kali is that you've got a way to actually create your own rogue access point so that you can do some testing against client security and also perform some other types of security testing. Now, a rogue access point from our perspective could simply be an access point that we have set up that we just want people to connect to. And we want to see whether people would connect to our access point. It might give us some ability to capture frames as they go through, could give us a lot of other potential capabilities. So, we've got this program called Host APD, and that's Host Access Point Daemon. So we've got a way to actually create an access point here on our Kali installation. So I am going to go into the host APD directory inside Etsy. Right here, I've got hostapd.conf. So let's just take a look at that. This is going to be where we're going to configure our access point. So I'm going to say my interface is WLAN 0. We could set up a bridge so that we're actually connecting our wireless interface with, for example, an Ethernet interface that could actually just allow us to capture the wireless traffic and then send it to an Ethernet network or some other network that potentially has internet access. The nice thing about the configuration file is it gives you a lot of explanation as to what's going on. I actually want to change this. And let's just say we're going to call it free Wi-Fi. So setting up the host access point daemon is really as simple as running host APD and then specifying the configuration file. So hostapd.conf. That's our configuration file. And we have miraculously created our own host access point. And so we've got an SSID of free Wi-Fi. If I were actually to run Kismet here, or if I were to run another Wi-Fi scanner, I should see free Wi-Fi show up on my network, and that would show up as an access point that I could actually connect to. So you can use host APD. There are other programs that will give you similar capabilities, but host APD is pretty simple to use. And you can just install it on Kali. It's one of the packages that you can install separately from the base installation, but that's pretty simple to do. I would just do apt-get install host APD, and it's going to install it for me. Of course, if I hit enter, it's just going to say it's the newest version because I've already got it installed. If you've got a Kali installation, if it's just a default installation, you won't have host APD. But as I said, it's really that simple to get it installed. It will go download it, install it for you. You will be ready to go.